So as y'all know, I've been having issues with my weight for a while. So I did go talk to my doctor, and I am going to take you along on my journey. We are going to be trying Wegovy. So let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you want to see, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. It will certainly help out with the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so Wegovy. It has been recently approved. It's fairly new. It is semaglutide, which is also like Ozempic. So Wegovy has actually been approved by the FDA to help with weight loss, and what it does is it releases, what's it called, a hormone or something like that into your intestine, and helps and aids with digestion, and it helps boost your like if you're insulin resistant or anything like that, it helps with that. So we are going to try this, and this is just from a normal person's point of view. I am not a doctor, nor do I ever pretend to be a doctor. But yeah, so I am going to take you on this journey, and today is the first day that I got this. I have got, let's see, let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so I got the full month supply here, and these do have to be refrigerated, so make sure you refrigerate them. But before we start, we are going to do a weigh-in, and I have gained all my weight back. I did try that weight loss program, and it worked while I was on the program, but then I gained it back like that. Of course, you know, if you're eating unhealthy, you're going to be unhealthy. But for some reason, even whenever I'm doing other stuff like keto or anything like that, I really don't have that great of luck with it because, excuse me, because I tend to have a hormone imbalance or something. But I've been trying to lose weight for a really long time, and so whenever we discovered this, we're like, we might as well give it a try. It's said to help a lot, so we're going to try it, and I'm going to take you on my journey. So we're going to do a weigh-in today, and then I'm not going to inject on camera because I think that's weird. But yeah, so, and then we will do weekly checkups and see exactly where this goes. So today is Tuesday. I'll be uploading this video tomorrow, and yeah, so this is going to be week 1. Okay, so here we are at the scale. I'm going to go ahead and step on it and see what it says. All right, I'm at 224.4. So I've gained quite a bit of weight back. I'm back where I began. So I'm going to store that under 1. And as you can see, I've gained quite a bit of weight. Okay, so in all transparency, I did want to weigh and just let everyone know like how much I weighed. Oh my gosh, I've gotten so big. But yeah, so now we are going to do the injection, and I am going to, I'm not going to record this like I said because that's weird. But I will do a follow-up video in a week where we weigh. I tell you if I had any like side effects or anything like that, any reactions, and we'll go from there. And while I'm doing this, I will be dieting, but I'm not going to diet, like I'm not going to do any specific diet. I'm just going to try to do portion control, and then you know, not eat sweets or anything like that hardly, because me dieting or me doing like certain diets hasn't been really helping. I am going to try to cut down on my carbs, but I'm not going to cut carbs completely out because that don't seem to work for me. But yeah, so we're going to do this and we'll see how it goes. Now there is a few places you can inject yourself. You could do it in the bottom of your stomach, on the outside of each thigh, or on your on your arms. I chose to do it on my thigh because, well, that's where I chose to do it. I have thick thighs, so I was like, well, maybe it won't hurt. I didn't feel the injection at all, so that's good. Right now I feel fine. It wasn't that hard to do. It does come with instructions, and your doctor is pretty good about explaining it, so that's good. Of course, the pharmacist will explain it to you too. So yeah, so that's where we're at. Now I am going to be doing portion control. I'm a mess today. Been running errands, doing schoolwork, stuff like that. But so yeah, I will be doing portion control. and you know, doing this weekly. I will do it every Tuesday, and then after a month we'll up at a dose, and this will be posted on Wednesday. And so yeah, so we'll see how it goes. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. If you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. But yeah, so I hope you'll have a good day. Bye.